Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. May 28, 2026. Today's important news includes: AI takes over debt collection jobs. Qualcomm strikes AI chip deal with ByteDance. NVIDIA Vera CPU shows strong performance. MiniMax teases faster M3 AI model. Robinhood AI agents start managing your wallet. Now let's start the main text.
1.
U.S. law enforcement is labeling the growing public anger towards AI as a new security threat called anti-tech extremism. People are increasingly worried about AI taking jobs and data centers consuming massive local resources. This has led to more protests, which officials fear could turn into violent attacks against tech executives and infrastructure. As a result, the debate over AI has escalated from a tech issue into a national security concern.
2.
The Pentagon recently clashed with SpaceX over the rising costs of Starlink satellite services used during military operations. The military relied heavily on Starlink for communication with its low-cost attack drones, but SpaceX demanded a five-fold price increase. Facing a lack of immediate alternatives during wartime, the Pentagon eventually had to accept the higher fees. This dispute highlights the U.S. military's risky dependence on a single commercial company for critical combat capabilities.
3.
Spotify is testing a new feature that turns long-form magazine articles into audio narrations for its users. These audio articles are designed to fill small gaps of time when people are commuting or doing chores. To keep production costs low, Spotify is using a mix of real human voices and AI-generated speech. This move expands Spotify's audio library and gives traditional publishers a fresh way to reach new audiences.
4.
Debt collection agencies are increasingly using AI agents to take over the difficult job of pursuing unpaid bills. These AI debt collectors are cheap, never get tired, and can contact people constantly without any emotional fatigue. However, when the system makes a mistake, innocent people can be harassed endlessly by a machine that lacks human empathy. This means the stressful experience of being chased for debt is becoming even more automated and relentless.
5.
ByteDance has signed a major deal to buy millions of customized AI chips from Qualcomm. These new chips will help power ByteDance's massive AI data centers and reduce its heavy reliance on NVIDIA. As part of the partnership, Qualcomm will also help ByteDance bring its own internally designed chips into full production. This marks a huge step for Qualcomm as it expands beyond mobile phones into the AI infrastructure market.
6.
A startup called Human Archive is paying service workers in India to wear sensors while doing their daily jobs. The goal is to collect real-world physical data like movement and touch to help train future AI robots. These workers are essentially providing the exact data needed to teach machines how to perform human tasks. While this creates a valuable new database for robotics, it also raises ethical concerns about workers training the very systems that might replace them.
7.
A London-based startup named Perceptic has raised $12 million to build an AI platform for major pharmaceutical companies. Instead of just designing new molecules, this system connects all the fragmented data and workflows across the entire drug development process. It helps scientists quickly evaluate thousands of medical assets and make better decisions in just a fraction of the usual time. The company hopes to become the central operating system that makes the entire pharmaceutical industry work faster and smarter.
8.
NVIDIA's newly tested Vera processor is showing incredible power that can directly challenge traditional data center chips. Built specifically for AI workloads, it features a custom design that delivers amazing speed and memory performance. The chip uses very little power while easily handling massive amounts of data and complex coding tasks. This proves that NVIDIA wants to dominate the entire AI hardware market by building its own complete computing systems.
9.
Artificial intelligence is shaking up the traditional business model of massive consulting firms. Tasks that used to take junior staff months to complete can now be done by AI in just a few minutes. This allows smaller, tech-savvy consulting teams to deliver complex projects and steal market share from the giants. Consequently, clients are refusing to pay for slow manual labor, forcing big firms to completely rethink how they charge for their services.
10.
A startup named Pace just raised $46 million to automate the slow and manual back-office tasks of the insurance industry. Their AI digital workers can directly click and type inside older software systems, just like human employees do. This technology allows insurance companies to quickly add 1,000 digital workers during a natural disaster when claims suddenly spike. Ultimately, this flexible AI workforce could completely replace the traditional offshore teams that insurers have relied on for years. 11. KPMG has officially launched a new AI governance center in Singapore to help companies safely deploy artificial intelligence. Many businesses want to use AI but struggle to pass strict internal security and compliance checks. This center provides a clear testing framework to ensure that new AI systems are reliable, secure, and legally compliant. By fixing these management gaps, KPMG is helping highly regulated industries like finance and healthcare finally put AI to work safely.
12.
The Chinese AI company MiniMax has teased its upcoming M3 model, which promises a massive boost in processing speed. By using a clever new attention mechanism, the model can quickly find the most important information without reading every single word. This breakthrough allows the AI to process up to 1 million words at a time while responding almost 16 times faster. As a result, analyzing huge corporate documents or massive codebases will become much cheaper and more practical for businesses. 13. Artificial intelligence apps are increasingly helping Muslims practice their faith by correcting pronunciation and assisting with Quran memorization. These handy tools make religious education much more accessible, especially for people living far from traditional learning centers. However, some new AI chatbots are causing controversy by directly answering deep religious and legal questions. Many scholars warn that relying on machines for spiritual guidance could severely weaken the authority and connection of local human communities. 14. ByteDance has released Lance, a unified AI model that can simultaneously understand and create both images and videos. Instead of being massive, it uses a smart dual-stream design to keep its generation and understanding tasks from interfering with each other. This highly efficient approach allows Lance to beat many larger models in video creation and image editing tests. It proves that a well-designed, medium-sized AI can successfully handle multiple complex visual tasks in one single package. 15. The gaming platform Roblox is leading the race in spatial AI by building a truly shared and reliable 3D world. While other AI systems create beautiful but unstable images, Roblox uses its game engine to enforce strict physical rules. The AI simply adds realistic lighting and textures on top of a solid, unchanging digital environment. This clever division of labor ensures that all players experience the exact same reliable world at the exact same time. 16. An Israeli defense startup named Ares Labs has quickly raised $60 million by building a powerful military intelligence platform. Their system gathers messy video footage from drones, phones, and security cameras to create clear, real-time insights for commanders. Unlike software built in a lab, this AI was forged under the intense pressure of actual wartime conditions. This battle-tested technology is now being rapidly adopted by Western governments to modernize their national defense and law enforcement systems. 17. Major Indian IT companies are turning the global AI boom into a massive new business opportunity for themselves. While American businesses struggle to integrate complex AI into their old systems, these outsourcing giants are offering complete setup solutions. They are transforming from simple code writers into expert consultants who manage data, reshape workflows, and handle risk control. Their future success depends on proving they can deliver high-value AI transformations before smart machines completely replace basic human programmers. 18. Top tech companies are now hiring experts with degrees in philosophy to help guide the development of artificial intelligence. As machines become more powerful, engineers alone cannot solve the complex moral and social dilemmas that these systems create. Philosophers are stepping in to write strict behavioral rules and define the ethical boundaries for how AI should act. This shift proves that deep humanistic thinking is becoming incredibly valuable in the high-tech world of artificial intelligence. 19. Artificial intelligence is taking a huge leap forward by directly managing financial transactions for regular users. Platforms like Robinhood are testing new AI agents that can automatically trade stocks and make credit card purchases within set limits. Giving machines the power to spend money creates entirely new legal challenges regarding refunds, responsibility, and consumer protection. Once AI truly takes control of our wallets, the entire digital payment network will have to be completely rebuilt.